Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mariana Agustin from class EKT 24A with NPM 244-12025. Here I will present the material scope of financial management. Definition of financial management. Financial management is an important process in a company that includes planning, organizing, managing, and monitoring the funds it owns. This function is not only about handling money, but also about ensuring that the use of these funds can provide maximum benefit for the company. Its main objective is to maximize the value and profit of the company. This process involves various decisions regarding where the funds are obtained from and how to use them effectively. Main scope. Financial management covers 6 main areas. First is funding decision, which concern how the company obtains source of money. Then investment decision, which concern how to use the money to generate profit. Next is asset management, which ensure company assets are used efficiently for its planning and budgeting, which aim to plan requirements and control expenditures. 5. Risk management to reduce the likelihood of loss. Finally, cash flow management to ensure the company's cash remains healthy and smooth. Funding decisions. Funding decisions are very important because they determine how a company obtains its capital. The company must choose between funds from its own capital or from loans, such as bank loans or bonds. This choice should consider the cost incurred and the company's risk to avoid overburdening the company's finance. For example, a loan with a high interest rate will increase costs, which could reduce profit. Investment decision. Once capital is available, the company must decide how to invest. This means causing the asset to be acquired whether they are fixed assets, such as machinery and buildings, or current assets such as inventory and receivables. This investment must be thoroughly analyzed, including its potential, returns, and risks. Methods such as net present value (NPV) and internal rate of return (IRR) help the company assess whether an investment is worthwhile or not. Asset management. The company must ensure that the assets it owns are still effective. Assets should not be wasted. It is also important to maintain currently assets such as cash, receivable, and inventory in a healthy condition to ensure smooth company operation. If you have assets, you need to manage them wisely, avoid buying too many things that aren't used or having long outstanding receivables. This could disturb the company's cash flow. Planning and budgeting. Planning funding needs and managing expenditure through a budget is an important part of keeping a company's finance under control. With a budget, a company can avoid waste and ensure that every expenditure is used effectively. A company should have a plan and budget for its expense. This ensures that all outgoing costs are carefully calculated and not random, so the company's money can be used as effectively as possible. Risk management. Financial risk always exists, such as changes in raw material price or customer will pay late. Companies need strategies to reduce the impact of risk to remain safe and stable. Risks cannot be avoided, but we can manage them For example, we can use insurance or invest in multiple places to reduce the likelihood of possible loss. Cash flow management. Maintaining a healthy cash flow is crucial. Companies must ensure that incoming funds are sufficient to cover all daily operational needs without disruption. Cash flow is like the daily circulation of money. If the cash is healthy, the company can pay salaries, purchase materials, and settle bills on time. If the cash is problematic, company activities could be disrupted or even halted. Conclusion. From the explanation about financial management actually involves many things that need to be taken care of, starting from where to get the money, how to use it, and currently being prepared for possible risks. If all of this is managed well, the company will become strong and grow. That concludes my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.